I'm really curious of what kind of thoughts does people in Peru have who work with the BIM and the maintenance? Like, how does the company, what you spoke about, has tried to approach the maintenance phase of the infrastructure or the building?
There are a small group of persons that believe in this idea of implement being in maintenance. The problem is that we don't have any expert or any specialist that says you have to do it this way or use this program. There one project, for example, in Videna, the project that I was, they use BIM for maintenance, but it failed because there was only one person in charge of a project of 5 buildings, so he can multiply in 5 persons. So as he work, he studies the programs to do the maintenance.
That's a
As
nice.
he studies, he learned from the experience that we have. So we have different products there.
So you were speaking about the maintenance that one guy had to manage everything
Yeah,
around the maintenance
yeah.
of
One
the
guy have
software.
to do the work of 5 persons.
That's
So,
crazy.
so I think that in the future, maybe it's going that the people here are going to believe in that. So I I truly trust in that because for that guy, there are some companies that are thinking about to invest a little in this idea to see the results. And I know that all the buildings of departments, the companies that manage all the building,
Yeah.
need that information because they need for see when have to change their equipment. They wanna have when they have problems with things that they have. So they are pushing the companies to pushing us to make that investigation. I would say to develop. So I think that maybe 2 years or maybe the next year we are going to see a project or two projects with this idea of maintenance. And if they have good results, it's going to be like the standard that the government
Yeah,
are looking for.
that sounds really
Because
interesting.
because the government have a 10 years project, 10 years, and her final step is a maintenance. So they are beginning with the design period, then I'm going to focus on construction, but the construction in two periods. The first is going to be about the structure, the second is going to be about architectural map, and then they finally they are going to focus on maintenance. So there are at least idea for a group of people. The government is pushing it in a long way, but it's it's not it's not I don't know how to say that in English, but there are people who remember that exists. So in a moment, maybe some years later, they are going to invest, they are going to investigate, and we are going to have results.
Yeah.